window last video we have checked for the ping and jobs command. Now we will see here how the top command works. So I have put the top command, and let's see in full window how it works. So what top command gives the result? Let's see, it will gives the process ID, the users which are there in our Ubuntu operating system with the number of space in megabytes in MB, and also the percentage of CPU utilization. Okay, so this is the top command which we have used. The number of processes which sorts it in the descending order, means from the smallest to the largest. Okay, now next we will see the command for. Now here, when we check for the from the terminal window, we will type this following command. Now they want to say that our output will be different from the depending upon the number of processes, because they are using another operating system and we are using Ubuntu. So depending upon the process fluctuation as well, how the each process works. So let's try it on our terminal how it works. So I will type ping localhost greater than symbol, then Dave, then null, and ampersand command. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, so here see, they have reflected our command as a process of 1 with a 95. Okay, whereas in that case, in their environment case, the process is different. So similarly, if you will again check for the command on this one, we will get the another process means 96. Okay, so sequentially the output may vary, they want to say here. Next step we will see, as we have defined the top process, so top command we have put, and here obviously the output is different from our, so we have executed this top command. Now in that top command also there's an interactive program, so we can use the kill the ping process also. Okay, so they have told us that first type letter K, then notice that a prompt has been appeared. Okay, so with that prompt, they have used at the process ID, which process ID to kill. See here, so 112 process they have killed. Okay, so that's the reason they have used the combination of top with the ping command. We do not kill any process here. We will just stick to our environment and we will explore our learning. Now here also, if you want to learn about this value step man kill command in a terminal window, the prompt indicates that the default signal is the terminal signal indicated by site term or the number 15. Okay, so here man command also you can use when you want to pass different unique values, different process ID. So in that same way, we can use that also. Now let's try one command to kill the ping process as before. Okay, so we will try it by another with our another approach. Kill, set say process ID I want to kill is 2 with the signal 15. Okay, signal 15. Let's see what happens. Kill command not found. Okay, so let's type ping command. Now ping usage also will come here. How we can use the ping command? So let's, if you want to have any help with regard to ping command, then we'll type ping hyphen help. Let me pick that cursor. Okay, so this is the usage of ping command, the pattern they have given, but we are not interested in doing that. We will explore our learning further and see what is the defined process. So see in this command what they have done. They have defined the process by a top command. Okay, so I will do the top here. So it will define the process. Now I will press just K command. Okay, so see here, it will ask me for the process to kill which process ID want to kill or terminate. Let's say I want to terminate the process ID with the 7. Okay, so I will type here 7. Okay, oh, two times I have typed. Let's press 1 times 7 and press enter. Let's see what happens. Send PID signal. So we will do signature command by 15. Okay, see it's processing here. Our this ID is deleting. Okay, okay. Last login was this much. See, so the terminal will keep a track of record and it will again ask our lab to continue from there because we have done the changes, so they have might be rebooted the system. So this is the use case when we have discussed how to use the top command with the termination of kill command. Okay, now we want to type q to exit the top q command. Okay, we can type q also to, but we have since booted the command, so we'll again which command gets submitted, we'll get top command. Okay, and we again, if you press K, then it will ask me which process to kill. So I will type 7. Let's I have typed 7 and press enter. Send PID signal 15. So I will press 15 for ensuring that okay it's getting failed because we can't terminate that. Now I have to type Q to return to exit from the top command. So I will press Q. Okay, I have exited from the top command. Now will Filesystems reflects both pin commands were terminated. Okay, so let's type pin command that is telling the list of pin commands that were okay. We can use pkl and we'll forward to check for the whichever terminating process we can use. You can use pkill command to work with the process to work with the termination. See, it will also giving us the option for communicating or processing it with the process of Ubuntu operating system. So we'll see in detail how it works. So if you want to have our operating system to put in sleep mode, how we will do in the Windows environment, how we will do, we will go to here and in that way I can do here sleep. So in that way our operating system will sleep. But now what is the case with Linux, with the Ubuntu operating system, how it works? Let's see. So I will have cleared the screen and I will type it as sleep. Let's say this command I have typed in terminal and put sleep. Now 6 times I will type and then I will press ampersand. So that will be define the process for, so this have defined the process sleep for 69 process. The number 69 is sleeping. Now same way if I again type sleep, the same command. Okay, let me come to, without typing it again, I will again come to my environmental. Terminal is slow due to typing multiple commands. Okay, I'm trying to get the recent command sleep, so I don't have to type it again. Okay, it came. So I press again enter. Okay, so see he has define the process ID 2 with the 70 process. Okay. So likewise, we have uh, ensure that sleep command, we have paused the program shell scripting for a specific period of time for this process ID. Now we'll see the which jobs are currently running because we have put the two jobs into sleep mode, which is process number 1 and 2. Now we will ensure that we type the jobs command and we will ensure that how many jobs are running in our system. So I will press jobs so that we'll see in our full screen prompt. I have pressed enter twice since its terminal is slow because it is communicating with the number of process. Okay, let's see. So our output came twice. So these are the list of running processes which we have in sleep. Okay, now next we will check for the CPS command. We'll type the number of processes and let me type the PS process. PS command, so that will allow us, or that will ensure that which command it's in sleep mode. So 69 and 70, you can see the process ID number in our screen, that is sleeping 69 and 70. So it has given in the list by means of PS command that these two commands are sleeping. Okay, these two processes are sleeping. Now I will kill one of the process by means of kill, let's say 69 in my case. Okay, so I will execute this command kill 69. Okay, which is the sleeping process, means which is this command, which is the process ID with the 1. Okay, now I will again press jobs. After pressing that, let's see what output comes. The terminal is slow, so we have to be patient. Okay, great. See, so we our output came. Now we can see that there are only two commands which are running, and with the process ID this which we have killed it, we are waiting for the output. Okay, one is on running, and that is been that has been killed with the process ID. Okay, so let's again go to our terminal. Then we'll check for the other command, the kill command, to terminate the remaining sleep command. Okay, use the name of the program rather than the process ID. Okay, so we'll directly use this command pkill, and they have told that use the name of the program rather than the process ID. So we'll not use any kind of process ID here. We'll just use the 15 as our command, and we will ensure that with the sleep command. Okay. Oh, pattern, only one pattern can be provided. So actually we have typed the wrong command here. Equal to we have typed, that should not be done. So hyphen will type, and so I have to press with shift. Okay, now it will be okay. So the one process has been terminated, and because you have not specified the process ID, and only we can see the two is reflected now. Going back to our guide again. Okay, so next we will go ahead to select for our PS to select and sort processes. Okay, so now we have seen that PS will display the currently running process. I will do the clear screen and again start with my fresh shell with the ping command. Now we are setting a background process for our using ping and viewing the current process using PS command. So let's go ahead and type this command ping localhost. In full screen, the screen is very slow. Let's wait. Okay, ping localhost greater than dev null and ampersand. Okay, now press enter. Okay, here we can see that the process ID is 1 and the it's a 76. Okay, now we will see the process ID 1 with the ID of 76. Now we'll take the list of number of processes which are there. Okay, so we will see the 76 with the ping command, which is the background process which is running. Okay, Next, we will go ahead with the es-e command that will show all the processes are displayed es-e. So let's see it in full screen to have better visibility. Okay, so here we will have found that with the 76 with the process ID we got this command by ps which showing the list of processes, and by e we will which will show the list of processes along with the cron jobs or along with the number of processes they have displayed. Few other processes they have shown which is directly running on that hardware. Then we will use the option with PS with O option to specify which columns to output. Let's say we had to process ID, we have to specify the time. So that all things also we can do. So I will directly copy paste from here instead of typing more, and we'll go to our full screen and we will type paste it directly and press enter. Okay. So here we can find that these are the process ID which we found with the time and TTL time also. So with the attributes, we have found this number of processes. Let's go ahead and likewise, we can sort it by memory, how much memory they are occupying. And in the same way, we use the free command, how much free, as we have discussed it later, how much free memory is there. So the same way we can find it. Thank you.